हेलो JEE aspirants, so myself Paromita, welcome to my YouTube channel PCM by SKPK। रिलेशन चैप्टर में कर रही थी जो एडवांस मैथमेटिक्स 2026 का मेरा बैच है उसमें। सो रिलेशन का पार्ट 1 अपलोड हो गया है मेरे चैनल पर, देख लीजिएगा। टुडे आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट द रिलेशन पार्ट 2, दैट इज़ व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ रिलेशन। ओके, सो दैट्स द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ रिलेशन। JEE में 1 to 2 क्वेश्चंस रहता ही है इस पार्ट से। रिलेशन का ये जो पार्ट है दैट इज़ द टाइप्स ऑफ रिलेशन, दैट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सो नेवर मिस दिस टॉपिक। फर्स्ट, दैट देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ रिलेशन, दैट रिफ्लेक्सिव, सिमेट्रिक एंड ट्रांजिटिव। सो रिफ्लेक्सिव, व्हाट आर द definition of reflexive? The relation is said to be reflexive if every element of A is related to itself but not necessarily to itself only. It means there are set, suppose A, and there is another set that is B. Okay, so the elements of set A, okay, I write that is A, set A, and set that is set B. Okay, elements that is 1 and 2, and the elements of set B that is 1 2 3 4. So elements of A, first element that is 1 is related to another set that is 1, and 2 is related to 2, because it's obviously a relation between itself, not only but necessarily to itself only. So that's not important, that necessarily to itself only. Okay, so 1 का relation definitely 1 से होगा and 2 का 2 से. So A comma is a present in the reflection of for all A belongs to A. Example, set of parallel lines in a plane. Okay, ये जो तीनों का ही example हो जाएगा, set of parallel lines in a plane. Okay, so next, symmetric. So reflexive is so easy. Okay, अगर यहाँ पर कुछ एलिमेंट्स है एंड इसका भी जो कि प्रेजेंट है रिलेशन सेट बी में, देन ए कॉमा ए जो हो जाएगा सेट, दैट इज रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन. नेक्स्ट, सिमेट्रिक रिलेशन. सो व्हाट इज सिमेट्रिक रिलेशन? A relation is said to be symmetric if whenever A is related to B always implies that B is related to A. If A comma B is present in the relation implies B comma A is also present in the relation for all A belongs to A. Suppose this is a set A and this is a set B. So there 1 is present as an element in set A and there 2 is present as an element in set B. So 1 comma 2, that is a relation of A to B set. So there definitely must be a set that is 2 comma 1 जो कि इधर है. That's the thing you have to do in symmetric relation. That is, अगर A comma B present है then B comma A भी होना चाहिए. So as easy as always. Next, transitive. So students को जो confusion होता है, that's mainly from transitive. What is transitive? Firstly, the definition, that is, a relation is said to be transitive whenever A is related to B and B is related to C. Always implies that A is related to C, that is R is equals to A comma B, B comma C and A comma C. ये example है. With an example, I just clarify it very simply. Like if there is a set, suppose A and B, and then is इन दोनों के अंदर कुछ रिलेशन है जो कि A comma B and B comma C. So there must be a condition that if A comma B is happened and B comma C is happened, then definitely A comma C is a set in these relation. Okay, it means A comma B and B comma C if present, then A comma C भी होना चाहिए in this relation. So that's the main thing. Whenever A comma B and B comma C are present in the relation implies A comma C is also present. Okay, so these are the examples of those types of relations. Next, that is equivalence relation. So a relation is said to be equivalence if it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So अगर एक relation reflexive है, symmetric है and transitive है, those 3 are present in one. So this is the example of equivalence relation. Okay, so यहाँ पर भी अगर example के मैं बात करूँ, so set of parallel lines in a plane. Next, number of reflexive relations. So this is a very important formula. The number of reflexive relations is that is 2 to the power n square. So yesterday जो मेरा part 1 का सेशन था उसमें एक फॉर्मूला मैंने बताया था, that is number of relation, that is अगर n is equals to x and nb is equals to y, then the total number of relation would be 2 to the power xy. So today the thing is reflexive relation, number of reflexive relations. So that is 2 to the power n square. Next, inverse relation. What is inverse relation? The definition of this: from set A to B, there every relation is an inverse relation. That is, R inverse is equals to yx such that xy belongs to R. So definitely that's अगर domain R inverse है so range हो जाएगा R, and range R inverse है so domain हो जाएगा R. That's a simple thing. Inverse we all know, as simple as that. Next, universal relation, void relation, and identity relations. So these are the most 3 important relation definitions. So as easy as always, a relation R on set A is termed a universal relation if every element of A is related to every other element within set A. Example, R is equals to A cross A. So universal relation definition is as easy. Next, void relation, that is a relation on set A is called void or empty relation if no element of A is related to any element of A. So definitely if any element of A don't relate to any other element of A, so that's called the void relation or the empty relation. That is R sub equals to A cross B. Okay, so that's the example. Next, 3 identity relations, that is a relation defined on a set A is called identity relation if each element of A is related to only and only itself. Okay, so if in the set A, if the element is only and only related to this set, then this is called identity relation, that is A comma A such that A belongs to A. Okay, set A. So that's the things I would suggest to discuss today. So next part would be coming soon and the important questions भी आ जाएगा. So definitely stay tuned for that.